Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Our topic is algebraic ratio and proportion. Now I am going to solve some problems from exercise 11.1. Problem number 1. If the sides of two squares are a and b meter respectively, what will be the ratio of their areas? So question number 1, see, length of first square equal to a meter. Therefore area of first square equal to a square meter. Then length of second square equal to b meter. Therefore area of second square equal to b square meter. Therefore ratio of their areas equal to what? A square ratio b square. This answer. Okay, this answer. Then problem number 2. Problem number 2. See the question number 2. If the area of a circle is equal to the area of a square, find the ratio of their perimeter. Okay, if the area of a circle is equal to the area of a square, find the ratio of their perimeter. Let radius of the circle equal to r unit and length of one side of a square equal to a unit. Then area of circle equal to what? Pi r square unit and area of what? Area of a square equal to a square unit. Here we are writing unit since there is no meter or centimeter or any unit. That's why directly just we have written here unit. According to the question, now we can write according to the question. Since area of the circle is equal to the area of what? Area of a square. So we'll write here pi r square equal to a square, or we can write here pi r square divided by a square equal to 1. Alright, now you write or r square by a square equal to 1 by pi, or you can write you can use by a square. In both cases you can use root over 1 by pi root. You will get here what? R by a equal to 1 by pi. R by a equal to 1 by pi, and this value will be needed later. That's why we have written in this way. And now you write we need to find out ratio between what? Between the perimeter of circle and perimeter of a square. As we know, perimeter of circle equal to what? 2 pi r. Okay. Therefore, perimeter of circle divide perimeter of a square. Perimeter of circle we know that 2 pi r. Perimeter of a square equal to what? 4 length of 4 sides. Sum of the length of 4 sides equal to 4a, and here 2 omit 2, that is pi r by 2a. Now we can write here what? Pi by 2 multiply r by a, and here we have got the value of what? 2a, and here r by a equal to 1 by pi, sorry 1 by root pi, here root pi, 1 by root pi. R by a equal to 1 by root pi. Here you will write pi divided by 2, r by equal to 1 by root pi equal to pi by 2. As we know that 2 root pi into root pi equal to a pi, multiply 1 by root pi omit, you will get what? You will get pi by root pi by 2 equal to root pi by is to 2. This is the answer. Root pi by root pi is to 2. This is the answer in question number 2. So question number 3, see, if the ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their LCM is 180, find out the two numbers. Find out the two numbers. Here you will write, let the numbers are 3x and 4x. In this way you consider number 3, let the numbers are 3x and 4x. 3x and 4x. LCM of this number what? LCM of these numbers 3 and 4 LCM 12 and x and x LCM is x, so equal to what? LCM of this number equal to 12x. So according to the question you can write what? 12x equal to 180 or x equal to 180 divided by 12 or 12 goes how many times? 15 times, or x equal to 15, therefore x equal to 15. Therefore one number equal to 3x means 3 multiply 15 equal to 45, other number equal to 4 multiply 15 equal to 60. Your answer is 45 and 60. Then next question, question number 4. See the question number 4 please. Question number 4 is the ratio of absent and present students of a day in your class is found to be 1:4. Express the number of absent students in percentage with respect to the total number of students. Let, here you have to consider number 4, let absent and present students are x and 4x respectively, and total students, therefore total student that time what? X plus 4x equal to 5x. So we can see that out of 5x students, 5x students, absent students is x. So you can, therefore you can write in this way, therefore the number of absent student, the number of absent students in percentage, in what? Percentage with respect to the total student, with respect to the total students equal to, out of 5x how many students present? X. So in percentage 100%. X omit or reduce, 5 goes how many times? 20 times, equal to 20%. How many percent? 20% students are present, sorry, 20% students were absent in that day. A thing is first bought and then sold with 28% loss. Find the ratio of buying and selling price, buying and selling cost. So number 5, at how many percent loss? At 28% loss if cost price টাকা 100, then selling price equal to টাকা how much? 100 minus 28 equal to টাকা 72. Therefore you can write, therefore selling price divide cost price equal to selling price 72, cost price what? 100. 4 goes how many time? 18 time, right? So you can reduce it four goes 18 time, 4 goes 25 time, equal to 18 by 25 equal to 18 is to 25. This is answer. That means selling price ratio cost price. Question number 6. Question number 6. These maths are very easy to understand. Question number 6. Sum of the ages of father and son is 70 years. That is present. Although sometimes it is not mentioned, but that time you have to consider that is present. Total age of father and son is 70 years. 7 years ago the ratio of the ages were 5:2. What will be the ratio of the ages after 5 years? So let to consider, let 7 years ago father's age was 5x years. 5x years, because 7 years ago their ratio was what? 5:2. And 7 years ago son's age was how many? 2x years. Now you write, therefore present age of father equal to 5x plus what? 7. 5x plus 7 years. Present age of son equal to 2x plus 7 years. According to the question, now we can write, according to the question, 5x plus 7 plus 2x plus 7 equal to what? Equal to 70, or 7x equal to 70 minus 7 minus 7, or we can write 7x equal to what? 7x equal to 63, 7, 56, or we can write x equal to 56 divide 7 equal to 8, equal to 8. Therefore you will write, therefore present age of father, present age of father equal to what? 5x plus 7, that means 5 multiply what? 8 plus 7 years equal to 40 plus 7, 5 8s are 40 plus 7, 47 years, and present age of sun equal to 2x. That means 2 multiply 8 plus 7 equal to how many? 8 to the 16 and 7 23 years. After how many years? After 5 years, sun's age will be how many? Sun's age, okay, I am not getting enough space to write here. I am writing, that time it will be difficult for you to understand. Alright, therefore after how many years? After 5 years, father's age will be how many? 47 plus 5 years equal to 52 years. And after 5 years, sun's age will be how many? Will be 23 plus 5 years equal to 28 years. Therefore, their ratio will be what? 52 is to 28. Divide 52, we can divide it by 4, am I right? 4, 20 divide by 4, because how many time? 13 is to 7. Okay, this is the answer. From number 7, okay, from number 7 we have to follow a rule, and in the question you can see they have written A is to B equal to B is to C. You have to consider in all numbers 7 1 say let A by B, that means A is to B equal to B is to C, means B by C equal to K. In problem number 7, you have to consider that let A by B equal to B by C equal to K. K is a constant here. Now, therefore, B equal to what? C and K. CK, and A equal to what? A equal to BK. BK, and since B equal to what? CK. B equal to what? CK. CK into K equal to CK square. Now, in question number 1, left hand side equal to what? A by C equal to A, value of A is CK square, C omit, you will get what? C omit equal to K square, right? And right hand side, right hand side equal to a square by b square divide b square by plus c square equal to b, value of b equal to what? ck. Value of b, here you will write ck square and c square. So it will be what? C square k to the power 4, and here it is c square k square. Now here it is c square k square, c square k square, then plus c square equal to, in here common is c square k square, left k square, here 1, here common c square, k square plus what? 1. So reduce or eliminate this c square equal to what? K square. So therefore you will write left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Okay, proved. These things you have to do in question number 2, question number 3 also. Okay, that's why I haven't erased it. Number 2, what? A left hand side, see here, left hand side equal to a square b square c square into 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube, a square b square c square divide a cube, b square c square divide b cube, a square b square c square divide c cube. Now multiply this. Okay, now reduce it. A square here a, so b square c square by a plus here b square reduce, you will get here a square c square by b, and here c square and c square here reduce, you will get what? A square b square divided by what? C. Now you write the value of this number. Value of b equal to what? ck square, and into c square divide what? Value of a is c is, value of a was ck square plus a square ck square into c square divided by ck. Value of b was ck plus a square ck square then into ck square divided by c. Now I need to erase it, because I need to erase it. See, c square a square into c square divided by ck square. Now here you will get what? C square k to the power 4 into c square divided by ck plus c square k to the power 4 into c square k square divided by c, so now you can reduce it also directly. Suppose c it reduce, you will get what? Then here you will get c to the power 4 k square divide ck square, c to the power 4 k to the power 4 divide ck plus c to the power 4 k to the power 6 divided by c. I need to reduce more it. Erase it more. Now see c, then here it will be what? C cube. What? C cube k square c cube. Then ck here c cube k cube. Reduce. Here you will reduce c cube k to the power 6. Okay. So here you get c cube. Here you can write it ck cube. Here we can write it is ck square what? Cube. Now it is c cube k cube, c cube k to the power 6. Now again we can write ck is the value of what? B. So it is b cube. It is the value of a. Now it is a cube. Therefore equal to a cube, b cube and c cube, and which is the right side of the equation. Okay, equal to what? Right side. Therefore right left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Okay. Then question number 3, similar way you have to do. Question number 3, left hand side equal to what? A B C into a plus b plus what? C whole cube divided by AB, BC and CA cube. We need to write the value like ABC. A value of A was ck square, value of B ck into C, value of here it is ck square plus ck plus C whole cube. Okay, now here A value of A was ck square into B value ck plus ck into C plus C into ck square cube equal to C here C cube K cube into ck square plus ck plus C whole cube. Here you write it is C and C square what? C square K cube plus C square K plus C square K square cube. Now here it is C cube K cube. here common is c, k square k plus 1 into whole cube here divided by second bracket, here common is c square k, then k plus 1 is here it is what, k whole cube. Now you write here what, c cube k cube, eliminate second bracket c cube, okay, into k square k plus 1 divide whole cube divided by c cube, sorry, c to the power 6, c to the power 6 k to the power cube into, here we should write here k square, okay, k square plus k plus 1, I arrange it, now k cube, okay, k square k plus 1. Now eliminate this, and here it also, if you omit, you will get what, 1. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, because c cube, then again k to the power 3 or k cube and c to the power 6, then c cube, here it left will be c cube again it will, you will eliminate or reduce, you will get what, 1. Therefore left hand side and right hand side proved, okay.